Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install XAMPP software. First, open your browser and type here XAMPP download. I have already searched it. So go to this link, click on this and XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, XAMPP for OS options are given here. So I have to download XAMPP for my Windows. So I have just want to click on this. So download has started. You can see here in this portion. So it will take a few time and you have to wait until the download has been completed. Finally, the download has completed. So click here, show in folder, click on this. Your folder that contains the XAMPP file that will be open. So it has been opened the files in locations. So double click on this, click on yes, administrative command bar. So yes, so that nothing matter. Okay, next. Next, you can change here file location where to be it has been to be installed. So I don't need to change the location. So click on next. Language setting English and also given dots. Next. The installation has been started. Just wait. After taking a lot of time for installation, XAMPP has finally installed. So XAMPP has successfully installed on my computer. Finish. You can see it has been opened. So in the next video, I will show you how to run it, how to work on XAMPP and create SQL command for your database to control and manipulate your database. Thank you everyone.